In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up exceptions when you have Do Not Disturb turned on, or simply go ahead and add apps or allow apps when you have Do Not Disturb turned on. So go ahead and swipe up and open up settings on your phone and open up notifications, then tap on Do Not Disturb. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will find app notifications. Now, when you tap on that, you have the option here to allow app during Do Not Disturb. So when you have Do Not Disturb turned on, basically almost everything is dead. You will not be disturbed by anything. No phone call, no messages, unless you set up those exceptions, right? So if you want to add a particular app as an exception so that you will be able to use this app like normal, all you have to do is just simply tap on add app, and you can add that particular app whichever you want. So you can add this particular app so that you can use it during the time when you have Do Not Disturb on. So all you have to do is just basically check a app and then tap on done, and that app will have an exception. Now whenever you're ready, you can basically remove that application by simply tap on the minus sign on the upper left hand side, and it will be removed. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.